welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca and this is Laura. So today we are putting together an emergency wedding day kit. So this is hopefully a bag of stuff that you will never need. That's the goal, but it's the just in case some little thing happens, so you've just got that bag of tricks there already at your venue set aside so you can draw on them at a moment's notice, no sweat. So to start us off, we are thinking something like getting your phone charger. Now hopefully you're not going to be on your phone all day, but maybe if you're planning quite a lot of the wedding yourself rather than having a planner or a coordinator taking charge for you, you might need to get hold of like suppliers on the day, things glitching, going wrong, times changing. So you might need the phone, aka the phone charger, and the list of contacts for suppliers, either physically in a file of fax, very retro at this point, or obviously in your phone. Ideally that you can hand off to someone in your wedding party that you trust and is responsible for the day. But yeah, just having that list ready to go with extra power.
Yeah. Something else that is very important, and you might not have thought of, or if you haven't worn in your shoes maybe, blister plasters and an anti-friction stick, which this could also be good if for like anti-chafing, if further on in the day, in the night, your dress might be chafing somewhere.
Maybe, yeah, because a lot of them have bones in the dress, right, that might dig into you or something.
Exactly, so multi-faceted, versatile piece of kit, and blister plasters just in case your shoes start rubbing, or you can just remove the shoes.
Also a winning idea. Next up, just this probably looks quite odd on camera, but a roll of body tape. So this is the stuff that is like double-sided sticky tape essentially that you can stick to your skin to stop clothes like slipping and moving away, and obviously a pair of scissors to go with that so you can cut it. But yeah, inevitably, you know, if you put your dress on, or a bridesmaid's dress, and you know you find that leaning forward and everything's coming out, or as well a lot with these you know, the multi-way tie dresses, like sometimes just being able to hold a little bit of something in place at the back, front, wherever, can be quite handy. So having something like that on standby. And
talking of kind of outfits and possible
alterations,
sewing kit, super handy if there are any little rips in anything, if anybody stands on any trains of bridesmaid dresses or your dress, or button coming off anywhere. Pins, again, if anything just needs holding in place, or if buttonholes, for anyone who's having a buttonhole, the pins that they come with might not be up to the job, so a few extra pins, always handy, and the same with safety pins.
You always need a safety pin?
You always need a safety pin.
Always? Yeah, because you might have time to sit there and sew something, but lift your safety pin, position carefully, save the day with that hem. Nail polish may seem a little bit random, but obviously you're not going to sit there on the middle of your wedding painting your nails, but obviously you may well have had your nails done, especially for the wedding, so try and get hold of the matching colour or the remainder of the bottle that was used when you had them done, so you can have that on the day in case of any like chips that occur, because obviously the photographs and things, you might be having quite a few like close-up shots of your hands with, you know, ring shots,
holding the bouquet.
Yes, exactly, so it might be more essential than you think.
If you're having a summer wedding, probably more so than if in the middle of winter, if you're prone to hay fever, don't forget to have your hay fever tablets. Things like bites and sting cream, hopefully you won't need it, but if you're out in the gardens of your venue or something and walk through a nettle patch or insects biting.
Yeah, some of the kids that are running around as guests, like just being able to have something like that on standby too. Yeah. Also, summer wedding theme. Getting a fan, some kind of handheld fan, It's actually quite a hot day when we're filming right now, so we kind of need this. Yeah, just hot day, just to cool off a bit in between. My wedding, when it happened, was the hottest day of the year, kind of out the blue. It was in May. You know, yeah. I think I had to send round an emergency message to a group of friends like the night before or something like, has anyone got a handheld fan they can just bring for me tomorrow? So I didn't have this at the time. This is from honeymoon, however. So now, and side note to that, we do have a DIY video on our channel if you would like to make your own for you and your guests on the place settings. We'll put a link to that in the description box below.
Along the lines of what I was saying before about hay fever tablets, always handy, well, bottle of water, keep hydrated, but also if you need to take any other medication, so wedding day is a long day, wedding morning can be quite a stressful morning, headache tablets and other kind of Imodium, things like that, just in case you've got a bit of a upset tummy.
Yeah, with the nerves.
Yeah, so just a few things just to have on hand in case you need them. Hopefully you won't, but...
Yeah, hopefully you won't need any of these things.
Good to be prepared.
Exactly. I think sometimes even just the knowing it's there can make you more relaxed anyway. Yeah. Emergency stash are like hairspray or hair slides or barrettes, I think you call them in Canada. I know that was new to me. But yes, little hair grips. So again, if you had like an updo done with your hair in the morning, you know, strong winds, like your wedding was so windy.
Yeah. In the middle of summer. Yeah.
You know, you're outside photographs in between the downpours and things, so you might just need that extra bit of hairspray or a bit of hairs come loose, pin it back in. Yeah, you'd be surprised how much having these things on hand will come in handy, or even just like a little compact mirror as well to be able to kind of do those things, because you're not necessarily all going to be able to cram in a bathroom at a moment's notice.
And finally on my list is just a pack of tissues for, well, multiple things, hay fever maybe, but it can be an emotional day, so if you just got some tissues handy, you won't be scrabbling around trying to find something, especially if you had makeup done, just to wipe away those happy tears, hopefully.
So that's everything we've both got, actually. Yeah. So we hope that has been helpful and given you some ideas as to what to kind of pack and put to one side for the actual day. We hope you don't need them and that you have a wonderful wedding day, but if not, you are prepared. So please give us a like and subscribe to the video for more content like this, and we will see you next time.